Welcome to the park and welcome to my English class. And today we are going to learn the name and pronunciation of the things in the park. This is a swing. Can you say swing? Swing. S-w-i-n-g. Swing. Slide. Slide. Can you say slide? S-o-i-d. Slide. Baby swing. B-a-b-e-s-w-i-n-g. Can you say swing? Baby swing. Seesaw. Seesaw. S-e-s-o. Seesaw. Can you say seesaw? Seesaw. Monkey bars. Monkey bars. These are monkey bars. Monkey bars. Say monkey bars. M-a-n-k-e-b-a-z. Monkey bars. Monkey bars. Apple tree. Apple tree. Can you say apple tree? Apple tree. A-p-o-t-r-e. Apple tree. Stick. Stick. Say stick. 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 Mud. Mud. This is mud. Can you say mud? Mud. M-u-d. Mud. Chalks. Chalks. Ch-o-k-s. Chalks. Log. Log. Can you say log? Log. O-o-g. Log. Cross trainer. Cross trainer. K-r-o-s-t-r-a-n-a. Cross trainer. Normally they're not in the parks, but this park has them. Leg press. Say leg press. L-e-g-r-s. Leg press. Bench. Bench. Can you say bench? Bench. B-e-n-ch. Bench. Grass. Grass. Can you say grass? G-r-a-s. Grass. Bin. B-i-n. Bin. Can you say bin? Bin. B-i-n. Bin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.